Welcome to the Drop Shop Garage. Today, guys, Michigan got hit with a snowstorm. This is the first real snowstorm of the year. As you can see, there are no more leaves whatsoever on the trees. We got about 1.5 inches of snow. And we're just in the middle of November. All of the roofs are covered in snow. The traffic is all backed up. All of the yards and driveways are covered. So I just wanted to show you guys. It's a good thing that I prepped the house the other day for the winter. If you haven't seen that video, go back and see my last video that shows you how to get your house ready for the winter. It explains how to put your garden hose away, put your lawn chairs away, get your snow shovels out. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.